my name is Ferenc Hechler. I'm the developer of the USB plugin for the file manager Total Commander. And many users have asked me, I have the Galaxy S3 Mini and I can't use your software. Here I have a special dual drive which has a micro USB plug, and I attach it, and as you can see, nothing happens. This is the normal state of the phone. And I'll show you how you can unlock the USB on the go feature. What you need is a special USB on the go cable, and it has to have an additional power plug. So this is a USB on the go cable, and I will attach the power wrong way. Okay, so it is attached, and I put it in the power. So this is the other micro USB plug, and we attach it to the phone. The phone is not loading the Accu now, and if I attach the cable, so you can see there's a white flash, the Accu is loading now. And if the micro USB is in the loading mode, you can't attach USB on the go devices. So what we have to do is to unlock the feature is to restart while the USB on the go cable is attached with power supply. So I've pressed for 3 seconds the power button and selected restart. Now the phone is restarting. And during the boot process, it detects that an USB on the go cable is attached and unlocks the USB on the go feature. So this cable is only needed during the reboot process. And after the phone has booted, you can detach the cable, and the feature is still enabled. So if it has booted, we can retry what we have done before to attach a USB on the go device. So now it's finished. As you can see, there is no white flash, the Accu is not loading, so the micro USB is in the USB on the go mode. So, okay, now I simply attach the same stick again. And as you can see, dialog is opening, showing, do you want to use the USB stick plugin for Total Commander? And I say okay. Start Total Commander. And now I can browse the files on the stick. I can copy files, I can watch videos, all I can do with a normal hard drive. Thanks for listening.